Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Scribd subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Scribd subscription plan. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Scribd membership online. Log into your account on the Scribd or Evran website. Navigate to your account setting page by clicking on profile icon. Now, click on account settings. Now, click end my membership or cancel membership. You'll find either of these buttons under the header, membership and payment details. Click continue cancellation. Choose a reason for cancelling. And click submit and continue cancellation. In the end, click complete cancellation. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Scribd subscription on iPhone. Open iPhone settings. Click on your name. Go to subscriptions. Select Scribd subscription. Click on cancel subscription. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Cancel Scribd subscription on Android. Open Google Play Store from your device. Tap on your profile. Click on payments and subscriptions. On subscriptions tab, select Scribd subscription. Now tap on the cancel button. And follow the prompts and you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your Scribd subscription. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.